Hi everyone, in today's video we will compare SteamOS and Bazzite. SteamOS is Valve's Linux-based operating system designed mainly for gaming. It offers a smooth and polished experience that feels closer to a console than a traditional desktop. The Steam client acts as the main interface, giving direct access to your Steam library, Steam Cloud, Steam Chat, game recording, and other Steam features. While you can still access a standard Linux desktop, SteamOS is not meant to fully replace a regular desktop operating system. A major strength of SteamOS is how well everything is integrated. The interface is optimized for controller use, and features like quick suspend and resume make it easy to jump in and out of games. Driver updates and hardware tweaks are handled automatically through system updates, so users don't have to worry about manual setup. Thanks to Proton, a large part of the Steam library works on SteamOS, and Valve's verified program helps users understand which games run well. Bazzite takes a more open and flexible approach. It is designed to make gaming and daily use smoother across desktops, laptops, handhelds, tablets, and home theater PCs. Steam comes pre-installed, but Bazzite does not limit users to one platform. One of Bazzite's biggest strengths is support for games outside of Steam. With launchers pre-installed and other launchers supported, users can run games from Epic Game Stores, GOG, EA App, Ubisoft Connect, Battle.net, itch.io, and more, all integrated into system gaming mode. This makes it easier to manage a large and mixed game library. Bazzite also includes features like HDR and VRR support, improved CPU schedulers for responsive gameplay, and many community-built tweaks. Controller support works out of the box for Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, and other controllers. GPU support is also solid, with NVIDIA drivers and the latest Mesa for AMD and Intel already set up, along with extra drivers for Wi-Fi and display standards. When comparing the two, SteamOS is better suited for users who want a simple, console-like experience focused mainly on Steam games with minimal setup. Bazzite is better for users who want more freedom, broader launcher support, and a system that works for gaming as well as everyday use across different devices. Overall, SteamOS reflects Valve's focused vision, while Bazzite highlights the strength of community-driven development. Which one is better depends on how much control, flexibility, and variety you want from your gaming setup. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.